Top 5 CCTV cameras in 2025 for your home and cottage. Hello friends, in this video we have compiled a list of the top 5 best and most popular CCTV kits of 2025, from wireless Wi-Fi cameras to professional solutions with 4K and remote control. It will be interesting, useful, and to the point. Let's go. 5th place, ISON S 5-megapixel AHD cameras with Sony matrices and 4x optical zoom. The varifocal lens allows you to precisely adjust the angle and viewing area to the specific needs of your home. The original Sony sensor with a resolution of 5 megapixels provides a clear image sufficient for identifying faces and details on the territory. The system includes everything you need for installation and operation, eliminating the need to purchase additional components. Clear step-by-step instructions allow you to install the system yourself without any special skills. The cameras are highly resistant to temperature changes and operate at temperatures as low as -60 degrees Celsius. 4th place, ISON Alpha technological solution with PO connection. ISON Alpha is a ready-made IP system with Sony matrices and sound recording from each camera. The system is designed for quick installation and for objects where high-quality image recording and real-time recording at 25 frames per second are required. The smartphone viewing function allows you to monitor the facility from anywhere in the world, which is relevant for periodically visited summer cottages. By the way, this function is available in all models from our today's top list and works stably despite the well-known events with interruptions in remote viewing from almost all manufacturers. The Sony Matrix and 5MP resolution provide a clear image sufficient for identifying faces and details in most typical video surveillance tasks in a private home. 3rd place, ISON Pro, a professional solution with a balance of price and quality. This is one of the most popular video surveillance systems on the market today. Original Sony matrices provide a clear image with a resolution of 5 megapixels 2K, which makes it easy to identify people and details of what is happening in the protected area of a typical private home. The system functions stably during temperature fluctuations, which is especially important for cottages and country houses in our climate, where equipment can be exposed to various weather conditions. 2nd place, ISON AirPro Max X powerful wireless video surveillance system. The system is ideal for homes and cottages and is fairly easy to install. 8-megapixel 4K shooting, the best matrices, color night shooting, sound recording, and that's not all this set has to offer. Depending on the initial configuration, you can connect multiple Wi-Fi cameras to the system, which allows you to organize video surveillance without the need for cabling. This is especially important for cottages and country houses, where the installation of wired systems is often difficult. The built-in Wi-Fi module provides a signal 4 times more powerful than previous models. This guarantees a stable connection even over large areas and in conditions of weak coverage. The system does not require any special skills for installation. Simply place the cameras in the desired locations and connect them to the network. The manufacturer also provides detailed video instructions for DIY installation. The cameras provide high-quality images both day and night, making the system a reliable solution for perimeter and indoor security. 1st place, ISON Alpha Pro X, the most powerful 8M EGPIXCL video surveillance system with 5x optical electronic zoom. If you need the best protection for your home or cottage, these cameras are the best available in 2025. Crystal clear 8MP 4K quality. Motorized varifocal lens. Control the zoom from your smartphone from anywhere in the world. PO power, 1 cable for data and power, no extra wires. Motion sensor plus IR illumination captures everything, even in complete darkness. And of course, the best sensor and latest generation processor. Links to all models are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on new reviews. See you soon.